Imagine you're standing at a checkout counter, ready to swipe your card. The cashier looks at it and asks, "Is that a Visa?" You pause, unsure of the answer. Have you ever found yourself in a similar situation, wondering if your Vivid card is a Visa, MasterCard, or something else entirely? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Vivid cards and answer that burning question once and for all. Before we get to the Visa question, let's take a moment to understand what Vivid cards are. Vivid is a digital banking platform that offers a variety of financial products, including prepaid cards. These cards are designed to provide you with more control over your spending and offer unique features that traditional bank cards might not have. The Visa connection. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Vivid a Visa card? The short answer is, it depends. Vivid Metal, this premium card is indeed a Visa card. It offers a sleek metal design, travel perks, and a range of other benefits. Vivid Premium, this card is also a Visa card, providing you with access to exclusive features and rewards. Vivid Basic, while the Basic card doesn't explicitly state that it's a Visa, it's highly likely that it operates on the Visa network. This is because Visa is one of the most widely accepted payment networks worldwide, and Vivid would want to ensure that their cards are compatible with as many merchants as possible. The benefits of using a Vivid card. Regardless of whether your Vivid card is a Visa or not, there are several advantages to using it. Customization. Vivid cards offer a high degree of customization, allowing you to choose from various designs and features. Cashback and rewards. Many Vivid cards come with cashback or rewards programs, making your spending more rewarding. Budgeting tools. Vivid's mobile app provides powerful budgeting tools to help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. International use. Vivid cards can be used in many countries worldwide, making them ideal for travelers. So, is Vivid a Visa card? While not all Vivid cards are explicitly labeled as Visa, it's safe to assume that most of them operate on the Visa network. This means you can use your Vivid card at millions of locations worldwide and enjoy the benefits of a widely accepted payment method. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.